Hello everyone, it's Nat. Today we're going to talk about paragraph. So paragraph, you might hear it in your own world, like someone around you say, talk about your paragraph, about this story, maybe about this information, but mostly like do a paragraph of this story. So what's paragraph? So paragraph is, restarted information in your own word. I mean, this is the information, a block, and you tell it in your own word. Like this is this is the Liberty Statue of Liberty, and you say like this is this is his story about Statue of Liberty, and you say tall, so that like Statue of Liberty is tall, about 6 feet, no, 140 feet. About that. Yep, you can tell in your word. I mean, like restarting a whole information and then write it back what you know. Like you read a story and you tell it back, but it's a different word. Okay, so they want to talk about that. And usually in literature, a paragraph is usually the same length as the original passage, but contains similar language. So in literature, it's just simple to understand instead of very complicated words to understand. So you have to have two information that we can turn into our paragraph. And the first one is not like the Brazilian giant of the Greek fame. And second one is with conquering limbs are trickle from land to land. So now we're going to turn two of these into our own word, turn to our paragraph. So I can turn it, the first one, to unlike the giant statue that was famous in the Greeks. See, it's in my own word, different from this, but still have the right information. Second paragraph, with conquering limbs are a straggler from land to land. I can turn it to with limbs stranding the waterway by standing on both shores. Section. See, I changed the word, but I didn't change like the information in that word. I just restarted with my own word, and that would tell like simple text, simple to understand, and usually like change the complicated word to the easy word, so people read it can be understand. That's all about this video, and that's paragraph, what you talk about, but just talk about in your own word, and that's all you need to remember. Just restart information and write it in your own word. Okay, that's all my video. Enjoy. Bye. See you next time.